Be the change you want to see in the world by Mahatma Gandhi. Good morning everyone. Today the students of class 8 are going to present the assembly on UNICEF Day. The United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, originally known as the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, was created by the United Nations General Assembly on 11 December 1946. UNICEF is the successor of the International Children's Emergency Fund (ICEF), created in 1946 by the UN Relief Rehabilitation Administration to provide immediate relief to children and mothers affected by World War II. The same year, the UN General Assembly established the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund (UNICEF) to further institutionalize post-war relief work. In 1950, UNICEF's mandate was extended to address the long-term needs of children and women, particularly in developing countries. In 1953, the organization became a permanent part of the United Nations system, and its name was subsequently changed to its current form, though it retains the original acronym.
Let us know the functions of UNICEF by myself Anvita, Rutanjay, Arya, Janvi, Mohanish, Srinidhi, Yuval, Nitya and Aditya. Functions of UNICEF. UNICEF drives change for children and young people every day across the globe. UNICEF works in over 190 countries and territories to save children's lives, to defend their rights, and to help them fulfill their potential from early childhood through adolescence. Child protection and inclusion. Every child has the right to grow up in a safe and inclusive environment. UNICEF works with partners around the world to promote policies and expand access to services that protect all children.
Child survival. Every child has the right to survive and thrive. UNICEF has helped reduce child mortality all over the world by working to reach the most vulnerable children everywhere.
Education. Every child has the right to learn. UNICEF works around the world to support quality learning for every girl and boy, especially those in great danger of being left behind.
Social policy. Every child has the right to an equitable chance in life. UNICEF works around the world to reduce child poverty and shield girls and boys from the lifelong consequences.
Gender. Every girl has the right to fulfill her potential. UNICEF works all over the world to empower girls and women and to ensure their full participation in political, social, and economic systems.
Research and analysis. Using data to drive results. UNICEF's global programs and initiatives are grounded in rigorous research and thoughtful analysis about the situation of children.
Innovation for children. Innovating to drive results for every child. UNICEF works with partners in every sector to co-create innovative solutions that accelerate progress for children and young people.
Let's enthrall our audience with this meaningful and melodious song.
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोजले अब तू अपने दम पर फूंक मार के छोड़ चार के सारे छप्पर आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोजले अब तू अपने दम पर फूंक मार के छोड़ चार के सारे छप्पर खोले पर 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 खोले पर
रट्टी रट्टाई सारी छोड़ो भी दुनियादारी रट्टी रट्टाई सारी छोड़ो भी दुनियादारी बागीते भर जो तेरे बोलेंगे सब अनारी सबको मना लेंगे तेरी नहीं जिम्मेदारी ऊंचे आसमानों पे लिख दे तू हिस्सेदारी खोल दे पर खोल दे पर खोल दे पर पर।
बंद घड़ी की भी रुकी हुई सुई होती सही 2 दफा। चुप क्यों है रहना मन का तू कहना रोके चाहे हिचकिया। आग समंदर अपना अंबर खोल ले अब तू अपने दम पर। धूप मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चप्पर। खोल दे पर 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 खोल दे पर।
Of UNICEF in different areas will be delivered by me, Avni, Saket, Arush, Likhit, Shreyas, Prajwal, Nitya, Ankita, Rutanjay, Mohnish and Arya. Contributions of UNICEF in the following areas. Now UNICEF works in 191 countries and territories through 157 country programs in the following area. Adolescent development. Experts in this area work towards providing technical guidance to strengthen adolescent participation in societies, support UNICEF's partners to institutionalize platforms for adolescent participation in schools and local communities.
Communication for development. Working in partnership with national governments, civil society organizations, and development agencies, our C4D practitioners employ a mix of social mobilization, advocacy, behavior, and social change strategies to provide results for children by harnessing the power of communication.
Child protection. Experts in this area provide technical oversight and programmatic support on areas such as capacity building for basic social services, justice systems, children on the move, violence against children, prevention of female genital mutilation, and last but not the least, prevention of child marriage.
Education. Working with partners and education experts strengthen education systems to ensure quality learning outcomes, especially for the most marginalized children, and work to ensure that systems are backed by resources to respond to the risk of disaster, conflict, and other shocks. They focus on improving systems that develop the skills of girls and boys from early childhood to adolescence in order to promote equitable learning, personal empowerment, active citizenship, non-violence, gender equality, and employability, both in and out of schools. And in humanitarian and conflict situations, they work to ensure continued access to learning programs for affected children. Thank you.
Gender equality. Addressing gender inequality is integral for UNICEF work. Across development and humanitarian context, the gender experts tap the most effective, innovative, evidence-based strategies to support national and local efforts to advance gender equality. They also work to embed the mainstream gender across all areas of UNICEF work.
Nutrition. The nutrition experts support national efforts to help ensure that children receive services for the prevention of stunting and other forms of malnutrition. They receive services for the treatment of severe wasting and other forms of severe acute malnutrition. Adolescent girls and boys receive services for the prevention of anemia and other forms of malnutrition.
Social policy. Social policy experts develop programs aimed at improving public policies to reduce child poverty, addressing social protection, coverage, and impact on children, enhancing transparency, adequacy, equity, and efficiency of child-focused public investments and financial managements, promoting governance, decentralization, and accountability measures to increase public participation in the quality, equity, and coverage of social services.
Water, sanitation and hygiene, aka WASH. The WASH experts focus on efforts to increase sustainable access to safe drinking water, eliminate open defecation, improve access to adequate sanitation, and promote hand washing and good hygienic practices, including in schools and with particular attention to girls and to children with disabilities.
UNICEF works with nearly 200 Goodwill ambassadors to increase public awareness of the rights of children and women. Let's know some of them. Indian brand ambassadors of UNICEF. Priyanka Chopra. UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador Priyanka Chopra is one of India's most popular actresses with global following. She was appointed a UNICEF National Ambassador tasked specifically with promoting child rights and adolescence. She has partnered with UNICEF to feature in videos and advertisements aimed at building awareness for child rights and the need to create a healthy environment for children, filled with opportunities to blossom.
Madas, to inspire and gather the support of India's 253 million adolescents towards the cause of children and young people, UNICEF India appoints Asian Games gold medalist Hima Das as the country's first ever youth ambassador in New Delhi.
In 2020, UNICEF focuses on the crisis of child labor. The COVID-19 pandemic and the resulting economic and labor market dynamics are having a huge impact on people's lives and livelihoods. Unfortunately, children are often the first to suffer. Let us watch a street play on child labor.
Scene 1. Home.
Yes, Diwali, I'm so happy, Papa. But Papa, I'm thinking, how are we gonna celebrate it this time?
We will do puja, make sweets, put rangoli, decorate the house with lights and diyas.
Are we not buying crackers?
Crackers? No crackers, no crackers.
No crackers, no crackers.
No, son, it's dangerous. Moreover, it's going to pollute our environment.
Can't we buy some sparklers, chakras, and flower pots? It's going to be fun. Because of this COVID, you're not allowing me to go out and meet my friends. Even I'm not allowed to play outside. It's been a long time that we have gone out. Please, Papa, please. Let's go out. Buy some crackers and diyas. Please, Papa, please.
Going out, stay home, save lives. Stay home, save lives.
Okay, Krish. My friend has put up a cracker shop for Diwali. We will go there and buy some. On the way, we can buy some diyas and flowers as well.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Krish, don't forget to wear the mask and take sanitizers with you.
Sure, Papa.
Follow healthy habits and protect yourself from diseases. Follow healthy habits and protect yourself from diseases.
Follow healthy habits and protect yourself from diseases. Follow healthy habits and protect yourself from diseases.
Neetu, do you know I'm going out with Papa to buy some crackers? Will you come there? We can meet.
Wow, that's a really good idea. I'll call Soham and Seema as well.
Scene 2. Cracker shop.
Hi, friends.
Hi.
Hi.
It's so crowded. Why?
Don't you remember? Tomorrow is Diwali.
We will not buy from here. Can we go somewhere else?
We are going to my friend's shop. Hi Prakash, how are you doing?
I am doing fine. How come you all are here?
Uncle, we all are here to buy crackers.
Crackers? No crackers, no crackers.
No crackers, no crackers.
I have some fresh stocks which are not here. Come with me. We'll go to my factory.
Scene 3. Factory.
Did you all finish the packing of those crackers?
Packing?
Raghu, Chinnu, Goli, where are you? Complete this work fast. Otherwise, you're not going home today.
Oh. Hey friends, I got a nice storybook.
Is that a book?
Chinu, Goli, come here.
पढ़ेगा भारत तभी तो बढ़ेगा भारत. पढ़ेगा भारत तभी तो बढ़ेगा भारत.
पढ़ेगा भारत तभी तो बढ़ेगा भारत. पढ़ेगा भारत तभी तो बढ़ेगा भारत.
Oh my god, we have to finish this packing. I have to help my mother to complete the household chores too.
Household work?
I have to go to the restaurant to help my father.
Restaurant?
I have to help my father in the garage.
Garage? Papa, see, your children of our age are all working.
Children are working? Stop child labor. Stop child labor. Stop child labor.
Stop child labor. Stop child labor.
Prakash, why have you kept these children for work?
Are they your relatives? Then how does it bother you? They asked me for work, so I gave. At least they're earning something, right? What is wrong in this?
All our parents have lost their jobs due to this corona. That is why we are forced to work.
Lost the jobs?
Yes, before we are going to school, but now we're working so that at least we'll get some food.
But now everything stopped. We don't even have phones to attend online classes.
Papa, I don't want any crackers. Can we help these children?
Yes, we can provide books to these children.
I can tell my father to help their parents to get a job.
This Diwali will be our best Diwali. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, friends. This Diwali will be our best Diwali.
Today, let's take a pledge.
Stop hiring children below the minimum age.
Remove children from hazardous work.
Entitled to enjoy his or her childhood and must get good education in a good and healthy atmosphere.
Thank you.
With this inspiring quote, we are bringing our special assembly to an end. You are born with the ability to change someone's life. Don't ever waste it. Thank you.